Hi, and welcome to another video from the collection of website builder guides and video tutorials. In this video, you are going to learn how to create email account with Bluehost. If you own a web page, having a custom email address not only adds professionalism to your online presence, but also boosts your brand's credibility. If you're a Bluehost user, creating a Bluehost email account is a straightforward process. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to set up your custom email address with Bluehost. First, log into your Bluehost account, click on cPanel Email, highlight Email Accounts, and click Continue. Bluehost offering 5 free email accounts with your hosting, and you can create new or delete existing as long as you stay within 5 emails limit. Click on Create and choose your email address username. Choose password for your email and click Create. Done. Your new email account with Bluehost is created. To check your emails, simply highlight Check Email and within Roundcube open source webmail software, click Open. You can tick box right next to it to make sure this dialog does not appear every time you click Check My Email. Done. Your new account is created and you can use it to communicate with your website audience. You can also easily add your Bluehost account to your Gmail, Outlook, or whatever email provider you use and access it on your phone through the phone app.